Have you ever tried to speak or write, but your words did not make full sense? Maybe you said something like running, boy, fast. That sounds confusing, right? But when we arrange our words properly, we get something meaningful. For example, the boy is running fast. Now that makes sense. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete meaning. It must make sense on its own. Let's look at some examples. Eva reads. The dog barks. We are learning. All these are complete sentences. Now let's talk about the subject. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. In the sentence, James plays football, James is the subject, because the sentence is talking about James. Let's try more examples. Eva cooks. The teacher speaks. The dog runs. They laugh. In each sentence, the subject tells us who or what is involved. To find the subject, ask, who or what is doing something? The answer is the subject. Next, we have the verb. A verb tells us the action or the state in a sentence. In James plays football, plays is the verb. It tells us what James is doing. Some verbs show a state. For example, Eva is happy. The word is shows a state, not an action. Verbs include words like run, eat, jump, and also is, are, was. To find the verb, ask, what is happening? Now let's look at the object. The object receives the action. In James plays football, football is the object. It receives the action. Sometimes we have two objects. For example, Eva gave James a book. Book is the direct object, James is the indirect object. Ask, what receives the action? That is the object. A complement completes the meaning of a sentence. In Eva is a teacher is the complement. It tells us more about Eva. He is happy. She is a nurse. These are subject complements. In they made him captain, captain is an object complement. Remember, objects receive action, complements add meaning. Let's revise. Subject, who or what. Verb, action or state. Object receives action. Complement completes meaning. Now try this. James gave Eva a book. Can you find the subject? James is the subject. Gave is the verb. Book is the object. Eva is the indirect object. Great job! Now you understand how sentences are built. Remember, every sentence has parts that work together. Keep practicing and you will become excellent at English.